Okay, have you ever been to that website that you wanted to test it and registered, but it was too shady to put your real email on it and you didn't want a million spam emails trying to sell you, good stuff that you can't tell your family? Well, today we're gonna just take a look at 3 websites that offer disposable email services, which means you get a temporary email that's already made for you. You can use it for 10 minutes only. After 10 minutes, that email will be gone unless you hit get 10 more minutes and so on while you're active in front of it. Let's continue with the first one. The first one is one of the oldest that we've been using for years. And yes, I remember this one quite clear. This has been around forever. And this is 10minutemail.com. Number 10. minutemail.com. No, I'm not sponsored by any of these. So this one does exactly what it says. You get an email for 10 minutes. Let me refresh it. And you get the email right here as you see on top. You copy it and you go to whatever website you want to temporarily register just to see what's inside, or I don't know. And you will get new emails right here on the bottom to confirm your email or whatnot that you are trying to do. If you feel that you need more minutes than that with the same email, you hit get 10 more minutes and it resets back to 10 minutes again. One thing before we go any further, I would suggest if you are signing up for a legit site that you think you can avoid that privacy stuff with a 10-minute mail, you would be doing a very bad mistake, because after you exit this website here and the 10 minutes are over, you can never ever get this email again. You will never have access to this email again. So be very careful. You can only use it on shady places and maybe temporary signups that you want to test, and you have no business to do with them anymore. And yes, this is the best one that I always would go to. The second one is Minute Inbox. Minute Inbox now has quite, I would say, a better looking email and domain, and yes, it changes every 10 minutes. This is Ryan Tatum and at mynewfangle.org. And this is the inbox welcome, whatever. You can delete it. You copy this one right here, just the same as the first one. You sign up for whatever service you want to take over and do a trial. But this one has some advantages. Now, this one you can add 10 minutes, as you see right here. You can add an hour. You can add a whole day. You can add a whole week. And you can add up to 1 month. So now 1 month, let me hit it again. As you see, it goes up to 1 month only. It does not go any further, but you have to come back to this window with the same browser without deleting your cookies. You get rid of the cookies, the email will be gone. This one has that advantage if you wish to use it for whatever trial that you're trying to get and not get spams on your main email. But do not use any of these, for example, to open, Gmail or YouTube channel or Twitter or Facebook or all that. They might ban your IP and your machine ID because these emails are not exactly to be used in an official capacity. They are just for fun, to test any services that you don't want in your main email. And yes, I'm sounding redundant, but I cannot say it enough times because I've seen people do that mistake, trying these emails and forgetting that they were on a 10-minute email. Now, the third one is a 10-minute email or mail number 1, they call it here. It switches the entire thing here just like the other two. Inbox is empty because we didn't send or receive anything. The temporary number here, I would stay away from that one because it doesn't really work all the time. But it's just another service, 10minutemail.1, and it does what it says. 10 minutes email that you can copy, you can register, come back here, grab the login code or temporary code that the company might send you. Boom, you are registered. You see if you like the services, then you register with your regular email, or maybe not. And I forgot to tell you the address for the second one, which is minuteinbox.com. I will probably leave links to all three of them on the description. And again, no, I am not affiliated with any of these services, and no, I'm not getting paid by any of these services to show them to you. I just felt that a lot of you guys have asked on different forums, how can you temporarily sign up for certain services that you don't necessarily trust and you don't want a million spam emails on your regular email? And here is the answer to that, which is 10minutemail.com, minuteinbox.com, and 10minutemail.one. And with that said, I hope you learned something from this video, and we will see you next time. Please like and subscribe and share it with somebody that you may think needs to know about this one. Bye!